Hi, I'm Craig Turner, IT Director with your local Better Business Bureau. I'm here today to talk about one of the many accredited business benefits inside of your business portal, the Customer Review Generator. One of the many available benefits to you as the accredited business inside of the business portal is the Customer Review Generator. The Customer Review Generator was built specifically for you, the accredited business, by your Better Business Bureau. Let's start with the overview. If your accredited business has customer reviews, you will be able to see the total number of customer reviews you have. You'll also be able to see them broken down by 5 stars, 4 stars, and 3 stars, etc. If you continue to scroll down, you'll see the main benefit of this program, which is the ability to send your consumer a text message containing a link that will direct them right back to your business profile to submit a customer review. This makes it super convenient and easy for your consumer. You can also email them if you don't wish to send a text message. If you continue to scroll down, you'll see the latest reviews that you have on file, and also you'll be able to see a trend over the last 6 months. Again, this is the main benefit of this program for you, the accredited business, to be able to email or text message your consumer a direct link to submit a customer review. And those are the features for Customer Review Generator. For more information on your accredited business portal, check out other videos in this series.